Good afternoon. I am Dr. Sasikant Tamrakar from Bharati College of Engineering and Technology. I am teaching food machinery in BE 5th semester. Today we will start our next topic in the same impact of jet. Our next topic is force exerted by a jet of water on a series of vents. Here, the force exerted when the series of vent is here. Here, a single moving plate which will be flat or curved is not practically feasible. This case is only theoretical ones. In actual practice, a large number of plates are mounted on a wheel, and the jet strike a plate, and due to force exerted by jet on the plate here, the wheel start moving, and the second plate mounted on the wheel appears before this wheel starts moving, and the next plate mounted on the wheel appears in front of the jet, which again exert a force on the second plate. Thus, each plate appears successively before the jet, and the jet exerts force on each plate. Here, the wheel starts moving at a constant speed. This is the jet, and jet is coming with a velocity of v, and that strike the plate, and the plate moves with a velocity u, and then next plate appear in front of jet, and by this the wheel is moving. Now, v is velocity of jet. As we know, velocity of jet is here v. D is diameter of jet. Diameter of jet is d. And as we know, area of cross section A equal to pi by 4 b square, and u is the velocity of well, is u. In this case, the mass of water coming out from nozzle per second is always in contact with the plate. This mass is always in contact with the plate when all the plates are considered. Hence, mass of water per second striking the series of plates is rho AV, that is mass of water striking per second to the plates is equal to rho AV. Okay. Also, the jet strike the plate with a velocity. Jet strike the plate with a velocity equal to v minus u, because v is the velocity of jet and u is the velocity of plate. Now, after striking, the jet moves tangentially to the plate, and hence the velocity component in direction of motion of plate is equal to 0. Velocity, so velocity component in direction of motion is equal to 0. So the force exerted by jet on a series of plates per second, here the force exerted by the jet in direction of motion of plate Fx is equal to mass per second, that is mass per second into initial velocity minus final velocity So this is rho a v into v minus u is the initial velocity, and final velocity in direction of z is 0. So this comes rho a v into v minus u. Now work done by the jet on the series of plate per second. Work done on the series of plate per second is force into movement in the distance per second in direction of the force, distance per second in direction of force, So this is Fx equal to, this is Fx into u. Putting the value of Fx here, rho a v into v minus u, that into u. This is the work done, formula for work done. Next is kinetic energy of the jet per second. Kinetic energy of the jet per second. This is half of mv square, and as we know here m is rho av, so this is half of rho av into v square, so this comes half of rho av cube. Rho av cube is the kinetic energy. So here for efficiency, eta equal to work done per second, by kinetic energy per second, so this is rho a v into v minus u into u is divided by half of rho a v cube. Here rho av and rho av cancel, so this value here 2n going upside, so 2u into v minus u by v square. This is the formula for efficiency. Now condition for maximum efficiency. Here this equation gives the value of efficiency of v for a given jet velocity v. The efficiency will be maximum when d eta by du is equal to 0. We are differentiating this d eta in respect of u, then if this value is 0, at that time the condition for maximum efficiency, that is du d by du and 2u v minus u, then divided by v square with respect of u, we have to calculate. So this is d by du, d by du, 2u v minus u, 2u v minus u, by v square, differentiating these that is equal to 0, differentiating this d by du, d by du, 2uv minus 2u square by v square is equal to 0, or 2v minus 2 into 2u by v square, differentiating this is equal to 0, or 2v minus 4u equal to 0. So v equal to 4u by 2, or this is v equal to 2u, v equal to 2u, or u equal to v by 2 for maximum efficiency. This is the equation for maximum efficiency. Now substituting v equal to tu in above equation, this eta maximum, is equal to 2u minus v, that is also u, 2u minus u, this divided by 2u square. So this is 2u minus u is u into 2u, that is 2u into u by 2u into 2u, these are cancelled, u cancel, so this is 1 by 2, or eta maximum is 0.5, that is 50% of this type of van, series of van.